Hello and welcome to another Golf Genius tutorial. This time we're going to be going over the Golf Genius app. So step one is to download the app from your app store, and let's get into it. So instead of going the email and password route as we've done before, we're going to go to the GGID and enter in a specific code that will give us access to our group. For the WGC, the code is LRCC WGC22. We're going to use the Niner code for this demo, LRCC Niner22. And there's a number of things that you can do here. The main thing we're going to look at is going to be the member portal, which will mirror what you have seen on the browser. If we go to home, you can actually sign up for a round here. So we're going to go round sign up. And because this doesn't recognize that it's you individually signed in, you'll just have to go in here and select your name from this list of players. Okay, click next, and that has signed you up for the round. You can also view the calendar of events. If you go to weekly players, you can see who's playing on any given week. So for this upcoming Niners round, it's Stableford. We have 36 players confirmed. And if you're not sure if you're signed up or if you can't quite find your name below, you can just search for it here. So Mrs. Otani is signed up, confirmed. And if you want to look at other weeks, you can go here and view future rounds or previous rounds. You can also look at weekly results from the past. The Niners have this Ace of the Month as the only round recorded here. And you can see the results of all players. You can also see an individual breakdown of hole-by-hole scores for each round and each player. So lots of cool information on the app here. Poke around a little bit, see if you can learn something new. But those are the main features that we'll be using for this app. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.